Hi guys, it's Sherry. So today we are going to be creating this beautiful set here. So we have this gorgeous necklace, and then we have these beautiful earrings that we can put along with it. I also wanted to let you guys know that I did open up a Facebook page for you guys to share your creations that you do with my tutorials or other tutorials. And it's called Share Bears Gifts Polymer Clay Community. So come check me out and share what you're doing with me. Let's get started on this. Today we're going to be making a really cool pair of earrings. And what you're going to need is circle cutters of all different sizes. You're going to need your silk screen with the circles. I got that from Create Along. I'll put a link into it. And then you're going to need different colored clays. So, and you won't need a lot of everything. So the first thing I'm going to do is kind of just measure out the size of the clay that I'm going to need. And I am going off of my silk screen. So I'm just going to kind of give myself a little mark of exactly where I need to go. I want a little bit extra, but not too much extra. All right, so now I have my white clay. This is my white Primo clay, and I have it rolled out to my thickest setting. So if you don't have a pasta machine, that's about the thickness you are going to want. Then I'm going to take my colors, and I just want to roll these out to my thickest setting as well. So I am going to run these through my pasta machine really quick. Okay, so once you have all your pieces rolled out, what you're going to do is you're going to get your large circle to begin with. And I am just going to kind of cut a few pieces out on my clay slab. And it doesn't have to be any particular way. I'm going to put a big one here. And then I'm just going to kind of follow suit and go right around some of them. Do one. And you can see I'm just leaving everything right where it is. And we'll do some small ones here. Maybe do a medium-sized one. And we'll kind of stop right there for now. And this way it'll give us an idea. So the very first one I want to start with is, let's go with this corner piece. So I know I need two sizes, one big one and one medium one. So let's go with our big one as the middle here, and then we'll match that up, and then we will take, let's go with the purple. I like the purple color. So carefully lift your circle up, and we will just set it right back where the white one went. And then we will place our purple right inside there. And we'll smooth everything out afterwards. And now let's go with this one. Let's do a yellow. And we'll do that one as well. I'm just going to put my white clay and set that all off to the side. And do this one. So I need a big one and a medium one as well. And let's go with yellow. Nope, this one. So just carefully keep putting your pieces inside. And if you take notice, I'm actually just taking my colors and kind of separating them to really spread my colors throughout the entire piece. So we need a big one. We'll do silver for our big one. You know what? I am going to, take off that. Put our blue one inside. And then we'll do our tiny one. Okay, so once you have that completely filled, we are going to bring, let me put this all off to the side so I'm not mixing my pieces up here. So I want to carefully lift up my piece, and I want to put it on my mat so I can easily move everything. Oops. Put on my white clay here. Come on. Should have put this on the mat first. Okay, so now I want to get my roller, and I am just going to carefully roll my pieces because I want to make sure everything gets nice and secure and really becomes just one piece of clay. Okay. Now I'm going to take the rest of my white clay and I'm going to roll that out onto my second thinnest setting. I want to carefully lift my piece. And then I will lay this down on here. And then I will trim up all right. And once again, I will just do a quick little roll. Make sure both of my pieces of clay are nice and together. I am going to get a wipey because I have quite a bit of dirt on this from moving everything around. And I'm going to try to get most of that off. You don't have to have it perfect, but try to get, if you have some little fuzzies or little pieces of anything on here, try to get it off before we do our silk screen. There's something right there. Okay, so let that dry. All right, now I'm going to get my silk screen and I'm going to line it up. I'm going to go this way. Yeah, let's do it this way. And if we get a little extra here, we might be able to do something with that. All right. Get your black acrylic paint and your squeegee, and then just go right over and spread that paint all over. And I've got a little bit more. Ooh, got something stuck on there. All right, carefully lift. Beautiful. Now go rinse your silk screen out right away. So we're gonna let our piece completely dry. And you can see, guys, this is already really cool. I am super loving this. And I really like this side as well. I think I'm gonna make a pretty cool pair of earrings or something out of that. I haven't decided yet, but while this is cool or drying, I'm gonna think of something. All right, guys, so my piece is dried. And now we can cut out our pieces. I really love the silk screen design up here as well. So I don't want to throw it out of the way. So I'm actually going to make a pair of earrings. I wasn't sure if I could get a necklace, but I don't think I have enough clay here to do a necklace. So I figured I'm going to make two really long earrings just to really just be, I think they're going to look cool. So I'm just going to cut those out. And this design is so beautiful. I love this silk screen. I could think of so many neat things to do with this. So just, oops, Just set that there. And now we're gonna get our cutters, whoops. And now we're gonna get our cutters and we are going to cut out all our pieces. So I gotta decide how, this is gonna be my main one right in the middle. So I want to make sure I'm getting as much design into that piece. And I think I'm gonna go right there. I'm actually going to take my pieces out when I cut them because I think I'll be able to see exactly what I have left a little bit easier. So let me carefully just look how beautiful those cutters are. Oh, stunning. I love these cutters. Create Along really makes such wonderful cutters. I just want to take these out so I can see what exactly I have left to play with, and I don't accidentally go into my other ones. It'll make it a little bit better for me. And I want to make sure I'm staying longwise so they're all, you see how these lines are? I want to make sure they're all going in the same direction. If I'm going to do earrings with these, I can put them off a little bit. Let me see. Maybe that way. I don't know. So now I'm going to take all of these. I'm going to put these in my oven at 275, and then we will be back.